What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some really cool products that I thought I'd show you guys. I have Hills Off-Road Gear today. They have their full setup, their full lineup of their awesome tent and awning. This is going to be their Sty XL rooftop tent, as well as their Hog Shade 270 awning. One of the coolest setups hands down that I've seen on the market, so I thought I'd do a nice walk around, show you guys. I know the Overland community is becoming huge. This company is an awesome company. I thought I'd just kind of show you guys what they're working with and how cool their products are. So let's go ahead and take a walk around it and we'll get with it. So like I said, this is their Hog Shade 270 awning. This thing literally sets up in 30 seconds. I'll do a breakdown, I'll put it away, show you how quick it is to put away. It takes about a minute to put it away just because of buckling it back in. Unbelievably fast to set up. You actually don't even have to set up all of the poles. It comes with one pole, which is the only thing necessary. So you're not having to hassle with poles and setting up lines. This thing is open and ready to go. So if you set it up, there is mounts if you'd like to set up more posts if it's super windy, but it's really not necessary. These brackets are unbelievably strong. You can see how big these braces are and the welds and everything. It's a solid awning. So like I said, sets up in 30 seconds. You have full shade all the way around. It goes all the way back around to the other side, and it straps literally to anything. You can strap it to your tent, strap it to a door handle, whatever, and it's fully ready to go. Really cool product. Definitely check it out. I'll have a link in the description for both of these products and their website. I definitely encourage you to check it out. Also, if you're new to the channel, he's actually doing a giveaway on this, and I'll put some details on what he's going to do. He's going to be, these retail for $10.99, right? So $10.99, he's giving one of these away. That's a huge giveaway. So definitely check out the link in the description and the details to do that. You could own one of these awesome awnings. Those things are becoming more popular by the day. So this is the real showstopper though. So this is his XL tent. So he has two size tents, an extra small and an extra large. The easiest way to put it is the extra small is a queen size, the extra large is the king size bed. So let's go ahead and check this out. It has what is it, acrylic? An acrylic top.
ABS.
So an ABS hard top. That's insulated as well. This thing sets up in about a minute and a half, depending on where you're at and how quick you're doing it. Unbelievably simple setup, unbelievably simple breakdown. It's an awesome tent. So he has this awning as well that comes out to the windows with the poles to set it up. Super simple setup, as well as the front has an awning. He actually has a full awning that comes off, and it comes about to here, has the post. I have it as well. I'll try to set that up if I have the time and if the weather's prohibiting, so it just depends. Really cool. And then he has the annex system that drops down. This tent has every option you can think of. It's really cool. He has the heavy duty ladder system. A lot of these rooftop tents have these awful ladder systems. This is a heavy duty one that's easy to use. It doesn't get jammed up, and it tucks away on the inside, so you're not worrying about dust and stuff getting in. It's a really cool setup. Let's come on in and let's check this out inside. It's so spacious. He has an anti-condensation mat in here. It's going to be underneath, and I think right now if you pre-order from him, you actually get, I think it's $650 worth of extra add-ons. That's included in the price, which is an awesome deal. You get do you get the heat insulation as well? So you get the heat insulation system and the anti-condensation mat and the shoe bags as well, and these are also storage for other things, not just shoes. You can put whatever you want in it. These also have LED lighting underneath, so you can see it under here. Has LED underneath and LED on the inside, so you're able to hook that up to a super small battery, and you're set up for lighting, just a car or a phone battery, super basic battery, and you can have lights for the whole night. Super comfy, very high quality. So the zippers are unbelievably strong. All of the seams, extremely nice seams. Everything on this is definitely well built. It's hard to find that in some of these tents. These tents are becoming so saturated, it's hard to find good quality ones, and this is definitely one of those. I've used it a few times, and it's been super warm, super comfy, really easy to set up. I have 2 kids, as you know, so I need something that's quick and simple. He's actually just letting me demo this right now, and he's, we're taking some photos of it, and just, he's letting me try it out, and I absolutely love it. I'm actually going to do I'm going to probably end up selling my setup to buy this setup and pre-order it from him, because I'm just falling in love with it so much. Has hydraulic struts to open, so at ease you open it and it just opens right up, and closing simple as well. Here, I can, if you want to show them the inside real quick and just kind of pan it in there. All right, guys, so this is hands down that I've seen a lot of tents. This is hands down, I think, one of the best tents on the market. I definitely want you to check them out. This is a local company. He's been absolutely just killing it, getting all of his product exactly how he wants it. He's been doing a lot of testing. He's been doing this, he's been trying to build this for 3 years. It's finally coming out. Pre-order yours now. If you pre-order now, I think, what is it, March 15th? March 15th is the deadline, and you'll get it in the mid to late June. So if you can get it now, you can get it for the summer. I definitely recommend you going and checking this out. If anything else, this guy has an awesome store on his website. He's got a lot of cool products. If you're into Toyotas, he's got some really cool Toyota stuff, some cool badges and hats and gear and everything. So definitely go check him out. He's absolutely, it's an awesome company. I want you guys to support him. I support him. I'm going to do whatever I can to get one of these tents on my roof. So like I said, it would be super helpful if you went and check them out. I appreciate you guys stopping in and checking this out. If y'all have any questions, leave it in the comments. I'd love to help. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Like I said before, it gives me a lot of drive to want to do more videos. And this is something I'm super passionate about. I want you guys to see content. I want you guys to see good products. And that's what I'm here for. So like I said, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments, or you can shoot me an email, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So I really appreciate you guys tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.